So this is what you see when you walk in. Yeah. So here's the door behind me, just so you can see that ceilings are super high. Right here, you see, as you can hear a car alarm outside, I apologize. But right here you see this leopard coat. This is from H&M. This is from Ted Baker. I will try to link everything down below. Up here is from Urban Outfitters. My dad actually got me this before he passed away, which I think is really cool and it really goes with the room. This mirror I got at a thrift, like a flea market. I got it at Melrose Flea Market. I love it, it's super cute. That's my dog. Okay, so moving around this way, you have that lamp over there. I'll go over here. This lamp was actually my dad's as well. What I love about it is that it looks very antique, but then the marble makes it look really modern. I really like that. Oh, I was just drinking my coffee. I should have moved that. It says Dream on it. I think I got this from HomeGoods. This little tray my aunt got me from Anthropologie. It's just New York. It has like all the New York things. And when I take off my jewelry at night, I'll just put it in there. Down here we have just a little bit of like random stuff, like random jewels of mine. Some spray that I like to spray before bed. It really puts me to sleep. It's honey and coconut. And then birthday cake candle that my friend Erica got me, my retainer, gross. Contact case, so I can just take out my contacts, my fan operator for this thing. And then in here is just like random stuff. Onto the bed. Oh, and this is from Pottery Barn. A lot of it's from Pottery Barn. And then right here, I wrote in glow-in-the-dark gel when I was like in 7th grade, the word dream. So every time the lights go out, it says dream, which I think is kind of cute. So that little stand is from Pottery Barn Teen, PB Teen. So this is my dog Apple. This bed I've had since 7th grade also, and this is from Pottery Barn Teen. I like these two things because they open, they're cabinets. This little ornament is from Target. It's a cross, but I think it's cute for year round. It's supposed to go in a tree though. Then you have these pillows. This one right here is from World Market. This middle one right here, I'm gonna pick her up. Okay. This middle one right here is from HomeGoods. The one behind it is also from HomeGoods, but the cool thing about this is when you turn it over, there's like a smiley face. I think that's super cute. Then this little pink one over here is from Marshall's. I showed it in a haul. And then this blanket is also from Marshall's. So then you go over here. This is actually, I made it from a frame of my dad's. A lot of the stuff I like to keep around, like, I don't know, cause like my dad's not here, so I wanna like remember him. And even though he's in heaven, like I wanna keep his like, I don't know, remember him. And so this frame was actually black and like matte black, and I turned it glossy white. My uncle helped me. There's me and Apple, hi. And then I just put Fall in Love with Your Life, and I found that on Tumblr. So I thought that was really cute. It's hard to see with the lighting, but they are green and white, and they just give me a very Beverly Hills hotel vibe. If you've gone there before, their theme is pink and green and white. And I just like that. It came with the house, these little drapes, and I just never moved them. And I like that you can pull them like up and down. It's just really cool. Then here are all of Apple's toys. This is the pillow that Apple sleeps on. I know, she's high maintenance. I'm like a bad owner. I'm like, here, you can have this pillow to sleep on. I just spoil her to death. This is from Urban Outfitters, this chair. So you come from the bed all the way here, and this chair is from Urban Outfitters, and then that blanket is from HomeGoods. This purse is from Guess. I just thought it looked really cute. Me and my mom put this chair together, and it took literally like 6 hours, so I would recommend the chair just because it's cute. I'll try to link it down below, but it took forever to put together. Then here's my TV, nothing special, just, you know, regular one. It does swerve though, like in the back, you can kind of see how it swerves. And then this is an overview of the room. This is what it looks like. The high ceilings I really like too, and like this beam right here. Oh, I love that. And then this is all the way over here. The thing I like about this room too is the closet's right over here. I'm going to be doing a closet tour next video, so look out for that. But it's just gonna be too long if I do a closet tour, but this is a really cool closet. I love it. That'll be in next video. Down here in this bed, I forgot to mention, I put my pajamas in here, and then there's ones on the other side as well, like little cubbies, and I put my pajamas in there. I do summer on this side and winter on that side, which I think is really cool. So yeah, this is like a little overview. I love it. It's so cute. yeah, okay, so over here is my bathroom, and this is probably one of my favorite things too. Here's Apple's food and water. I love the tiling in here. Oh my gosh, there's like a scale, random. But yeah, the marble countertops are just stunning. There's a hair tie, I should have moved that, but whatever. This is me, hi guys. There's 2 sinks, which I really like. And right here, I have it's a rock, but it's soap, but I really like the way it looks and it smells like fruit punch. Then I have my Prada perfume, all my daily, I use this stuff daily. Now that I look at it, it looks pretty excessive, but yeah, I like the way that it looks. Looks really cute. I put it on this stand. I got this stand from HomeGoods. I got this stand from HomeGoods too. I just put my toothbrushes in there. A lot of people ask me why I have, like when my friends come over, they're like, why do you have 2 toothbrushes? The reason is I brush my retainer with one and then I brush my teeth with the other because that just grosses me out. I got this from Marshall's, this like Empire State Building thing. I think it looks really cute in the bathroom. You turn around, close this door. So that's what the room looks like from this angle. Apple, you're so cute. There's a plunger, fancy, wow. And this shower is, oh my God, so cute. So I just put all my little like things in here and then my Cetaphil face wash. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna flip you around. We're in the bathroom right now. I'm gonna flip you around into my favorite part of my room. So since this is like a Jack and Jill type of room, they kind of all connect, if that makes sense. So it kind of goes like this. There's my bedroom. You know what I mean? Like it's a Jack and Jill. So let's start off in this room. I'm obsessed, first of all. So, oh, there's my phone. I got this rug from Marshall's. Speaking of gold, huge 3 windows, but I don't want to show you them too much because then you'll know where I live. I want to do a jewels like video. My hands are so dry, I'm so sorry. Say, like blame it on Accutane. I want to do a video where I show all my jewels because most of them I bought, but a lot of them also are from like my family members and I thought it would be cool to like show them. Like this jewel right here is like my grandmother's. This one I got from Urban Outfitters. Jewelry in here as well. And then I keep jewelry in this Spearmint Wrigley's chewing gum container, which I think is really cute. My hands are so dry, oh my gosh. You have to believe in yourself, that's a secret. These are matches to light candles and stuff. Then online shopping, the only thing better than pizza. This was my dad's, this thing, and I think it's really cute. It's like a high gloss white, which I really like. Then this mirror I just keep here, and I do my makeup here. Here's another mirror, hi guys. And this whole thing right here is from Z Gallery. I'm gonna show you the windows right there. I love it, it's mirrored, it's so flippin' cute. I'm dead, it's so cute. I keep my workout stuff in here because my mat is in here and I just work out in this space right here, which I think is really cool. This chandelier, I'm sorry for the amount of times I mentioned my dad. I don't know, I just miss him, I'm sorry. This chandelier, my dad got me in 2011 and it's timeless. I will have this thing the rest of my life in every house I live in, no matter what. As you move on this way, I have this bookshelf whole section of this wall. So I will be doing a closet tour next video, like I said. And in these, because half my closet's in here as well, but this is like where I keep my bikinis. That's the most organized drawer right now, the organized drawer. Okay, here's the wall that I'm obsessed with. It's all bookcases and I'm obsessed. So let's start with the shoes, okay? I will explain where all of these are from in my closet tour, but just look at that. I can tell you these candle holders are from Marshall's. I got that angels, it's all the Victoria's Secret angels in a book, like all dressed up and stuff. That skull is from Z Gallery. At the top right there, you can kind of see, I'll try and zoom you in. Those are from Marshall's and they have like geodes at the top of them. Here's more shoes. I'm obsessed, like these ones with the embroidery on the side. Ah, I'm dead. Okay, so I got this from Pier 1 Imports. I got this from Marshall's. It's like you know when you flip it over and the sand goes from each side? The bottom is marble and then the accents are gold and then the sand is black, which I thought was really cool. I showed this in my last Marshall's haul. I love this, oh my gosh. Then I have a picture of my dad. I know, I'm sorry. My grandma's rosary is in here. She gave it to me. Then I have my collection of teen Vogue. I'm obsessed. This geode I got from, I guess you would call it a geode. I got this at Marshall's as well. Then I have my Vogue September 2009 at the bottom. So this book right here, you write in it for, I'll show you. You write in it every day, 1 line a day, a 5-year memory book. I thought that was really cool, but I really like the way it looks on the side. Then this book, lullabies, I don't know. Here's another like mirrored item. The top of it is like pyramid studded. I got this at Marshall's too, as you can see. Then my cousin gave me this last Christmas. It says traits of a Pisces. And then it says like all the traits, and this is a candle. Then up here, I got this from Marshall's as well. Literally everything's from Marshall's, Home Goods, or TJ Maxx. This is a Bible, which I think is beautiful. And then this is a Furby, which I don't know, I love that. Then I have this strawberry, which is my grandmother's. It's super cute. I got this from the Container Store. It stores a lot of my jewelry as well. It breaks up into different compartments, which I think is really cute. This is a piggy bank. This is what my other dog Eloise looks like. And yeah, super cute. Then I showed this in a haul, my last Marshall's haul. This was $6, super cute. I gotta fill it with something. Comment down below what I should fill it with. I got this from Marshall's, this New York thing. All these are just magazines, which I think are super cute, stacked up like that. Then I made this, actually. I took Lisa Frank stickers. Give this video a thumbs up if you know what Lisa Frank stickers are, or Lisa Frank in general. And I just covered it in stickers, and then I Mod Podged it. Then, over here, I have my Girl Boss book. I have this diary. It's gorgeous. And then I have All in Good Taste Kate Spade book. I have a little troll, and then I need to fill that as well. I have a picture of my dad again. I got this frame from Marshall's as well. Then I have my Nasty Gal book. Yeah, I love that. I got this clock from Marshall's. I got that tractor from Marshall's. My dad was a construction guy, so that just really resonates with me. I think it's super cute. And then, I'm really sorry for mentioning my dad so much in this video. I didn't realize how much I have of his in here, I'm sorry. I guess that's just what you do when your parents not alive anymore. You just like show love in different ways. That's him in New York. Okay, anyway. I got all of these from different places, but I really love, you have like your fake amethyst. They're all fake, but this is like fake gold. This is actually, you could use it as like a knob on a drawer, but yeah. This is rose quartz, love it. Over here, I just have like a little candle holder of confetti, or like little sequins that my friend Erica and I used on Halloween, and then I had the leftovers, and I just thought it was a cool memory because that was such a fun night. I have this peace sign from Urban Outfitters. I have a Vogue book. Here's me again, hi guys. I have this little rock of some sort. This is from Marshall's. This @ sign is from Marshall's. This is my best friend, Erica. I don't know if you can see us at the beach. No. She also gave me this purse and then like painted the back, which I think is really cool. And then this book I got from a random thrift store in New York. It's a book that they cut into an S. I thought that was so cool. So like, look at the side. And it says Winter's Child, and I just realized that the other day, which is very weird because you guys know how much I love winter. Then I have this love sign right here. It was just love in white, but I put little gems on it, and this is from Marshall's, but I DIY'd it. Then I just put a bunch of 17 magazines stacked up backwards with this little flower thing from Marshall's. And then this is from Home Goods. As you can see, this tag is still on. I need to put a picture in there. Then I have this New York book. So yeah. Oh, also this little fuzzy thing. I use this to put my makeup on. I sit on this in videos and stuff. This is from Party Barn Teen. This whole wall, like a Tumblr wall. How cute will that look? Like, picture it. But the tape doesn't stick, so I ordered the perfect tape to go on it, and it'll be here in 2 days. You have like Mizzy McGuire. What's your email, Lizzie? Lizzie at biggiantloser.com. Oh, and this mirror, I forgot. This is from Ikea. Super cute. Check my outfit before I leave in the morning. Okay, let's go into the other room. I will see you guys in my next video. Apple says bye. Bye. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.